quote. And welcome Vlogmas 15. We are here. I know we're starting kind of fast right now. One of the co-workers, she's having a baby, so we're having like a little baby shower thing. So I need to go get something real quick. That's where we headed. Nah, it's fine though, cause it's like crazy hat, crazy hair day at work. So you see the beanie, man. Yeah, I'm headed to the store right now. I left like 35 minutes before I should, so I should have enough time to go back to the crib and get situated and whatnot. We on the move this morning. Hope you got paid. If you ain't get paid, man, hey, next Friday you get paid. No cap. We got what we needed, so now we headed back to the crib. I gotta grab my laptop and whatnot, and then I'm about to head off to work. Man, it's gonna be a great day. I also got like this new drink when I was at the store. I'm gonna show y'all right now. It looked fast, so I was like, fuck it, why not? Yeah, this is the drink I got though. Organic mango, clementine, antioxidants, vitamins, electrolytes. It looked fire. All right, y'all, we about to slide to work right now. I'm about to hop in the whip, but I had to upload Vlogmas 14 real quick. So if you ain't watched 14, go watch. I literally just put it up, man. First come, first serve. I'm really cold, really drippy in here. So one of my co-workers having a little baby, and we had like a baby shower thing today. I just finished eating, I forgot to clock out. And so now I got like an extended lunch type shit. Don't let little shit get you down, bro. Think about the bigger picture, cause a lot of shit been getting me down lately, but you know, thugging through this shit, man. Running through the six with my... On a serious note, don't let little shit affect your day, affect the outcome of the goal, man. Cause if you do, you never truly wanted it, man. That's just as simple as it gets. So, quick heart to heart, man. You know what I'm saying. But yeah, don't let the little shit get to you, man. We always prevail, always prevail, always prevail. I gotta go back to work. Peace. Yeah, Sirski, man. We fresh off work, headed to the crib. We might make a little pit stop. You know. But happy Friday, like I said. I'm ready to enjoy the weekend, kick back, relax. It's the holidays, man. I gotta do a little bit of shopping. But yeah, besides that, like I said, we about to just kick back, relax, and chill out, bruh. Currently at the bank. These niggas is taking years. I've been sitting here for a cool 10. I ain't gonna cap. Hey, yo. I just found a new feature in the V. Crazy shit is happening right now. I'll tell y'all when I get in the crib. Alright, so boom, this Karen was tripping on me. Go get what I needed. Got back in my car, and I start my car, and you know, my car's a little loud. Play the clip. And then she got mad. She literally waved, like she was literally waving at my window. She was like, I rolled down my window. She's like, why'd you do that? And I was like, that's just how my car starts. And she's like, doesn't sound good. Tag y'all in. Somebody drop a 5th comment for this Karen hating on the V. But hey, it's all good. Like I said, we prevail.